effect in CapCut like this. Isn't a rocket science. Make sure to subscribe if you wanted to be a professional in CapCut. So let's get started. So import your video by clicking on this new project. I have an old one, I'll select this one. Then click on audio, then click on effect, and here you have all the sound effects which you can use for your YouTube videos, TikTok, short or reels. Here is, have a look.
Wow.
Or you can click on the plus button to apply the sound effect on your video. You can also open the other category of laugh. Here is. Audio, then effect, then mechanical, and here is mechanical, and here is the fourth one is typing long. So click on this, increase the sound. So here is a problem. We'll apply a typing effect. So here is, click on this style and this movement type. So have a look here. Now here is sound, so click on the sound effect. Here is, so we'll cut here. Click, select, split it, and delete this one. So here